What's going on, YouTube? This is Spurs Cars 21, and today we have a Throwback Thursday. So previously I had picked up the random packs of previous 2,000 years. So let's see here. So I got 4 packs of Skybox Series 2, 92, 93. We have 4 packs of The Art of Collecting from Topps Gallery from 99, 2000. Got 3 packs of Top Stadium Club from 99, 2000 also. 3 packs of Skybox Z-Force 97, 98. So I'm looking for Tim Duncan rookies. And 3 packs of 97, 98 Topps. Alright, so of course we're looking for Tim Duncan rookies and any more notable players. But first, I had also picked up this previously. This is a random Spurs lot pack that I got off eBay. So this was 14 bucks ship. So I think it was 10 bucks plus shipping. So let's see what we got in here. So I don't know. I'm not expecting much out of this. Maybe we'll get some base, whatever, but I don't know. Got a couple Spurs stickers. It's supposed to be the hit. Oh, we got a couple cards in here. So we'll just save that. Probably already saw that. We'll save that for the end. Or not the end, but open up this other pack first. I did recall seeing other random teams. So, if you want to pick a pack of your favorite team. So starting off with a nice innovation Juggernauts. Tim Duncan. Looks like all these are sleeved, which are pretty nice. We got there you go, Tim Duncan. We have a all rookie card of the Admiral from 2012-13 marquee. Ooh, another Admiral Flitter Metal. Cyber Metal. That's cool. Look at that. Sweet. A Tony Parker Pink Cracked Ice. Manu Ginobili. Ooh, look at this. Starters. Innovation. Duncan, Parker, Leonard, Diago Splitter, and Marco Bellinelli. A Derek White rookie. Another Tim Duncan card. Pretty much I have just about every Tim Duncan base and a lot of inserts. One day I'll show a video of my binder I have. Got so many Duncans. Kawhi Leonard green. And an Iceman, George Gervin. Nice. Alright, so let's check out what was these hits. So I'm sure you noticed it was Tony Parker. Looks like a mem card. Like I said, this was only 10 bucks plus shipping. So wasn't expecting much. Got a DeJuan Blair, Rookie Recruits. That is numbered out of 299. And here's a Tony Parker. That is not numbered, but it's still pretty nice. All right, so let's get into these packs. So I picked these up from LCS. You can see they're $1.50. I have a bunch of other random older packs that I'll open in future videos for Throwback Thursdays. So let's see here. See what we got out of this one. So we got Jeff Grayer, Buck Johnson, Jay Humphries, Stanley Roberts, Donald Royal, Romeo Robinson, Frank Johnson, Jeff Hornacek, Glenn Rivers, Bryant Smith, Alonzo Mourning. Nice. And there you go. All right, next pack. Got a Travis Mays, Urban Magic Johnson. This guy, Rod Strickland, Michael Williams. Looks like we got a Special Olympics. I think that's Dan Marley. Yep, Dan Marley. Gerald Wilkins, Andrew Lang, Tony Campbell, Robert Horry. This is 92-93, so ended up winning the championship 94-95 with the Rockets. Dang Overton and Corey Williams. It's kind of easy to remember who won championships in the 90s. But 6 of them were the Bulls. I got Xavier McDaniel, Jerome Richardson, Vinny Del Negro, Mark Jackson, John Sally, Theodore Edwards, Charles Barkley, Alden Polynice, Glenn Rivers, Bryant Smith. Oh, another Alonzo Mourning. I'm going to put him down there since I didn't put one yet. And a trio card. All right, last pack of Skybox, and we'll start looking for some Duncans. Got another Jeff Greer, Buck Johnson, Jay Humphries, Dale Ellis, Stanley Roberts, Donald Royal, Ramiro Robinson, Frank Johnson, Rolando Blackpin, Harold Miner, Walt Williams, and a checklist card. All right, so we got a couple notable ones there. All right, so now we got 4 packs of 99-2000 Topps Gallery, Art of Collecting. I think these stick a little bit, if I recall, maybe. Yeah. Try to rip them apart here a little bit. Let's see here. So we got Allen Houston, Eldon Campbell, Chris Mullin, Mark Jackson, Allen Houston. Oh, and a Steph Marbury. What's this? Topps Gallery Heritage Card Art. Oh, okay, it's just nothing. 75 points. You've all opened up any of these boxes or packs before? Let me know if you got anything nice. So we got a Kerry Kittles, Eric Snow, Jason Kidd, Doug Christie, Tim Hardaway, and Allen Iverson. Nice. I only sleeve up very few of them. That'll make this video super long. Like I said, I do have a box of this. I'll open in the future. So we got a Mitch Richmond, Mike Bibby, Patrick Ewing, Daryl Armstrong, Antonio McDyess, and Gary Payton. Nice. All right, last pack of the Art of Collecting. So we got Ralph LaFrance, Jason Williams, Brian Grant, Marcus Camby, oh, that's not doing good, of course, really stuck. Ooh, there you go, Gary Payton, photo gallery, and a Alexander, this guy. All right. Top Stadium Club, 3 packs of this, 99, 2000. Got a Danielle Marshall. Oh, look at that. Nice. That's what we're looking for. Nice Tim Duncan insert. Excellent. Got a Michael Dickerson, Vin Baker, Sean Kemp, and Dan Marley. Already happy with these packs. I think I picked these 3 up in the eBay lot. I don't remember how much I paid for them. We got a Grant Hill, backwards card, Paul Pierce, a Nikki McRae, Anthony Peeler, Tracy Murray, Kevin Garnett. Nice. Kevin Garnett, the Admiral there. I try to look for lots of older packs. Trying to get some deals. We get a John Starks. Oh, there you go. Onyx Extreme. That's cool. I like the black on there too. The Admiral. David Robinson. Nice. Already happy with 2 of the 3 packs. Scottie Pippen. That's cool. It's like a foil card. Chris Whitney, Avery Johnson, and Derek Fisher. All right. So now time for looking for Tim Duncan rookies. So we got these Skybox Z-Force. You want to look for Autographics Signature Series. It'd be pretty nice to get one of those, but those are pretty rare. So yeah, you know, most of the time I just see them available, but I've never seen anyone pulled. We'll see. Got a Brian Stith, George Mearson, Dikembe Mutombo, Christian Laettner, Antonio Davis, Dale Davis. Ooh, there you go, Kevin Garnett. That's nice. And Michael Finley. One thing I do want to get is the Autographics Tim Duncan auto. One day I'll get it. All right, we got a Ronnie Cycli, Samaki Walker, John Stockton, Penny, Anthony Hardaway, Rasheed Wallace, Kendall Gill, and Rick Smith. All right, come on, last pack. I do have more packs of these, so like I said, I'll do random Throwback Thursday hobby packs in the future. So stay tuned for those. I'll probably do a partial box next week of something. Well, let's see here. We got a Lorenzen Wright, Scottie Pippen. Let's leave that one up in a sec. Mookie Blaylock, Derek Coleman, Isaiah Ryder, Dean Garrett. All right. Also with these, you want to look for the really rare ones that are like the names are special. They're like look cool. All right, we got a 97-98 Series 2 Topps. All right, we got a Ryan Williams, T-Mac, Sean Kemp, John Thomas, Gary Payton. Ooh, nice. HAKEEM Olajuwon, tops 40. Here's the front, there's the back. HAKEEM the Dream. A Rex Chapman, Rasheed Wallace, Antoine Walker, Rod Strickland, and Luke Longley. Two more packs. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that notification button. Get notified of videos. Oh, there we go. That's what we want. Nice. Awesome. Exactly what we were looking for. Tim Duncan rookie. Of course, it's the regular tops. But, you know, it is a Tim Duncan rookie, so that's pretty sweet. Brevin Knight, Anthony Parker, David Wesley, Kendall Gill, Gary Payton again, Joe Dumars, Hersey Hawkins, Olden Polynice, Keith Van Horn, and Isaiah Ryder. All right, last pack. We'll say that was a second to last pack mojo. We've gotten some pretty nice cards out of these packs. All right, we got a Travis Knight, Eric Dampier, Terrell Brandon, Doug West, Paul Grant, another T-Mac, Tony Kukoc, Corey Alexander. Interesting. No name card. Antoine Walker. Look at that. Even back in the days, of course, they had errors. Put that one there. A Eric Strickland and an Eric Snow. All right, so let's do a quick recap through these notable cards. Scottie Pippen, Penny Hardaway, Kevin Garnett. We got a few Kevin Garnetts. The Glove, Patrick Ewing, AI, Urban Magic Johnson, very nice. And then the highlights, all right, Tim Duncan rookie, HAKEEM Olajuwon tops 40, Onyx of David Robinson, and this 3x3 Stadium Club. So these are definitely the highlights of the video. So let me know down below what you thought of the Throwback Thursday hobby pack opening. If you'd like to see more of these types of videos, let me know down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Those of you who have, I'd like to thank you. So I'll end up with those right there. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.